Welcome, 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 viewers, to this edition of The David Robertson Show, where I'm your host, David Robertson. I've been informed to, from this point on, make mention prior to going on to any particular broadcast or what have you, that the scenes that you're about to see, it's not the view nor the opinion of this particular station. And I've did that. This isn't our opinion. This is simply a response from a preponderance amount of email and or calls urging us to get here. Where is here? The fair city of Royal Oak. Yep, right at your Royal Oak Transit Center North. For you viewers who may not be aware where that's physically located at, I'll tell you. 202 Sherman Boulevard or 206 Lafayette. And you're saying, well, how the hell is that two different addresses? The way the street splits into a Y. One side of the building is considered Sherman Boulevard, and the side I'm on is considered Lafayette. Well, anyway, let's dive right on in there. It appears to be a little bit before 2 o'clock. I'm going to say 1:55 p.m. Sunday, today, June 14th. But our broadcast today is not so much on the Royal Oak Transit Center, but more or less what's on the ground, the ramp that connects to the building. Get a load of this, viewers. We're going to have our camera guy focus on something that I've made previous broadcasts regarding. And we're going to ask our camera engineer if he can zoom in. Zoom in. Thank you. What a consummate professional. There, you see what is considered a deceased bird. Yep. Now, why is that important? Because, viewers, if you study the carcass, the body, there is no exterior puncture wounds. He's zooming in so you can see it. There's no outside puncture wounds indicating cause of death. So what brung this little guy down? And I gotta make a mention, I was just here 10 minutes ago, and this bird was not here. Now, upon return, I discover him. Now, getting back to the point, there's no external puncture wounds. There's no poison. I wouldn't think it had something to do with West Nile virus, the mosquitoes that we were bombarded with, radio, TV, newspaper 3-4 years ago. No. I think it's more or less has something to do with that 5G cell tower. Now, in the event you viewers aren't aware, Michigan itself is going to make a major debut in 10 days. I stand corrected, 11 days of the long talked about, highly touted 5G cell tower. The things, supposedly, what it can do in terms of penetrating through any and everything. The term drop call shall no longer exist. Now let me tell you viewers this. If you're in the mindset that this is nothing more than what they said in the past, the jump from 3 to 4 G, but now they're jumping from 4 to 5. You are terribly mistaken yourself. Let me let you viewers know something. This is the first time since the creation of man that they made such a gigantic exponential leap. In other words, the radiation emitted from such a tower is clearly considered 1,000 times multiplied. I repeat, 1,000 times multiplied than what they're using today. And these discoveries of dead birds can be connected to a trial test being conducted. You see, that radiation, that radio frequency is so powerful, there's been reports that flying birds drop cold dead right out of the air, dead to the ground. Ducks waddling in water intentionally hold their head underneath the water much further until the test is conducted. Various parts of Germany, over 300 birds was killed during a test period. This here is a result of 5G. And it's not just the birds. It's been considered the WHO and other major global governmental agencies has shot a move toward to reclassifying this to straight up cancer-causing, carcinogenic type material. This is supposed to be such a compromise and or breach to any human being and or living thing that its classification is being reclassified as an carcinogen, clearly cancer causing. The amount of radiation utilized to have that system up and going is sickening. Signing off from Royal Oak, yours truly, David Robertson.